Hello everyone, myself Papita Shri, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about looping statements in C. Okay, so what is looping statements? So looping statements are used to execute a single statements or executing the block of a statements repeatedly until the loop given the statement as false. Okay, so if you are executing a program, so if they have some conditions for the particular program, either it has been true or false, we need to repeat the statements until the given condition is false. Okay, so it is used to execute the set of statements repeatedly until the particular statements get satisfied. Okay, why we are using loops in C languages? It simplifies the complex program into easy ones, and it can enables us to alter the flow of the program so that we can easily able to understand, and instead of writing the same code again and again, we can repeat the same code for a finite number of times. Okay, for example, if we need to print the first 10 natural numbers, okay, so then instead of using the printf statements 10 times, we can print the loop inside the loop, which it can runs up the 10 iterations. So that is the main purpose for using the C language looping statements. Okay, advantages: it provides code reusability. Then we need no need to write the same code again and again. We can traverse over the elements in data structures. Okay, how it can be works? So loop has been entered, loop entry statement, then we can test the condition whether it is true or false. If it is true, it can be executed the loop and it can be run to the looping entry. If it is false, then it comes out of the loop. Types of looping statement: entry control loop, exit control loop. In an entry control loop, a condition is checked before executing the body of a loop. That is said to be as a pre-checking loop. In exit control loop, a condition is checked after the body of a loop. It is said to be as a post-checking loop. This is the example for entry control and exit control. Entering the loop, conditions met. If it is correct, then the loop code blocks. If it is false, then it comes out of loop. Okay. So here for entering control loop, exit control loop, so both have a difference. Like in entering, in exit, while entering, the loop code block has been processed. After that only the condition has been met, whether it has been true or false. Here the once the condition met, after that only the loop code process has been proceeded. Next, infinite loop in C. It's a looping concept which constructs and it doesn't terminate the loop and executes the loop forever. It is said to be as an indefinite loop. Reason: no termination condition is specified. The specified conditions never met. The specified condition determines whether to execute the loop body or not. Then types of loop. So here there are three types of loop. One is while loop, and another one is for loop, and another one is do while loop. First one, while loop. So what is while loop? While loop is a while statement is executed by using a single statement or a block of statements repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. Okay, it can be addressed as a entry control loop. We already seen that in entry control loop. So here loop has been entered and checking the conditions have been met or not. After that only it will be moved to the block of code, right? So here the while loop has been addressed using the entry control loop. It completed in 3 steps. Okay, variable initialization, then condition, then variable increment or decrement. So variable initialization. So example, int x equal to 0. Okay, so int variable x, we will be initialize the value for x equal to 0. The condition we are using for the statement is while, then variable increment or decrement. For variable we have taken as x plus plus or x minus minus, increase or decrease. Okay, the syntax for variable initialization in while statement. Okay, variable initialization, while condition, whether the statements has been given, then variable increment or decrement. Execution flow diagram. So here the condition given, if it is true, then it goes to the block of statements and the loop has been repeated. If it is false, then it comes out of the loop. These all about the while looping statements. In next video, we will be going to see about the remaining looping statement types. Thank you.